I'll be putting this guy in the dumpster today in Indian Town. Getting all the petroleum off right now. Got to get a couple more batteries, a couple more things. She's full of junk, but we're making do. There's a bunch of junk on here. We got most of the petroleum, one more battery to get out. This has been an ordeal, but we're getting there. Looking locked up pump.
Oh, that pump's locked up?
Yeah, that one's locked up. We're holding it. We got the stands off this side. Now we're gonna let it fall over. Start putting it in the dumpsters. First couple buckets are the hardest. Got to get it kind of crushing itself. Start filling stuff up. We got the roof in, trying to crush it all into itself. Definitely a big one. Nothing clean about it. It's definitely a messy job, but we are getting there. Gonna need another dumpster. There's always tomorrow. Well, we got 2 full dumpsters. Got a little bit more to go. We got our mess contained. Got to start off again tomorrow. Let's go, boys. Day 2, we got us a fresh dumpster. Gonna finish on our mess here. Well, fitting the last couple pieces in the dumpster right now. We're running out of space, but we're gonna make it happen. Another one bites the dust.